What's up with it? It's your boy McFly, man, the hardest working man in shoetainment today. Coming at you again with another real review. If this is your first time over here in the land of McFly, man, I welcome you. Appreciate you stopping by. Hopefully you enjoy my content and what I do over here. As always, like, comment, share, subscribe, all that good stuff that us YouTubers say. As you can see, man, today we got a box. So let's just get into it. Currently, we are still on the road to 300 subs, trying to get there by January 1. I thank all my current subs. As you can see, these are the bad boy Gem Red 12s that released yesterday. And for those of you who are unfamiliar, I'm gonna show you how we do over here in the land of McFly. Let's get you zoomed in for this close-up action. Got you locked and loaded on this size 12 with the Gem Red 12s. Retail was $190. I don't know how these are selling. I haven't been to the mall to actually see or whatnot, but they show to be around and they show to be online. I was really excited to see this shoe up close because everybody that I've seen that has had them has like a different type of material on there, so I just wanted to see it up close for myself here and kind of gauge it. But here you have a all red shoe, everything red, and this by touch it feels like a leather nubuck fusion, but there's no back and forth or none of that. Like this part here, that's leather. This, I mean, I'd say it's leather, man. It's a leather shoe, it's just a different grain. All gem red with your rope laces. Your 2-3 in black going up the tongue with that subtle tumble on that bad boy. Looking good, looking good. Insole is in there. It is black with a gold Jumpman in there. Didn't expect that. Got your red tag here, your red rubber sole with your black carbon fiber in there. You see your herringbone traction system, black toe tab right there, and black Jumpman on the toe front. Anybody who knows me knows that I do not like all red shoes. I will never buy a all red shoe, but for y'all, man, to give you guys this up close look, it's all for y'all. This right here, I feel like the whole world's gonna have this shoe. All the bloods, all the ratchets, all the wannabe bloods, all the wannabe ratchets, all the red lovers, you know, people love red, man. Oh, you also got your red eyelets as well. If those had been like gold, whew, that would have been crazy. Still wouldn't have bought it though. But the quality on this shoe is pretty good. I've seen pairs where they were like super ashy or whatnot, or you had like a little bit of back and forth action or whatnot, but this pair right here is solid, you know. I don't like all red shoes, but I'm not gonna, you know, hate on this pair and the quality and the construction of it. So if you're able to get a good pair, you know, That's great. You know, you're into all red things. That's cool too, but I feel like any shoe, just one solid color outside of black or white is just boring. You know, you need some accent pieces or something different. Like this is just boring as hell to me. But if you like it, you see it, cop it, man. That's my motto for 2019. If I like it and I see it, I'm gonna cop it. Period. That's gonna be the game, man. But anyway, I just wanted to spend some time, man, and give you guys a close-up look at this shoe for people who were interested in buying. But until next time, it's your boy McFly, man. I'll holler at you.